Hi all, welcome to my channel. Let's look into the tomorrow stocks. First one is Hindustan Copper. This stock is for sell trade. The level to watch out is 124.30 because as you can see here, the price has come down below 50 and 20 EMA with the four continuous red candles, and it is at the verge of breaking this previous swing low. If it crosses this level and then it can fall up to 200 EMA, that is 120.40, and its ADR is 6. So more than 120 also it can fall. So plan your trade accordingly. Second one is NTPC. NTPC is for buy trade. Level to watch out is 138.20. As it has taken a reversal from 50 EMA, it is at the verge of going up. Okay, and and the profit to grab up to is this swing high, that is 141. Its ADR is 4, so 142 you can take it as a round number level. Third one is Welspun India. Welspun India is for sell trade. Level to watch out is 137.10. As the 50 and 20 EMA are pushing the price below, so this level of 137.10 is, if it is crossed, then it will fall up to this swing, that is 126. So 10 points is for grab. Its ADR is 5, so plan your trade accordingly. Next one is NMDC. NMDC, as the 50 and 20 EMA are in sloping down and the price is below 200 EMA, and today it has crossed the previous swing low of 141. So tomorrow level to watch out is today's candle low, that is 140, and its ADR is 4.7. So up to 135 or 133 will be the target. Next one is Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland is in uptrend, and today it has made a big green candle with a good volume, and it has nearly touched the last swing high, that is 152.70. So definitely there will be a green candle tomorrow. Okay, so watch out for this stock. Next one is Coal India. Coal India is for sell trade. As today it has crossed the previous swing low of 163.30. So for tomorrow level to watch out is today's candle low, that is 159.50. It will drop up to this swing low or 200 EMA, which are at the same level, 122.80. Its ADR is 5. So plan your trade accordingly. Next one is JK Paper. 2 days back I have given this stock for sell, but it hasn't crossed this level of 220. So again it is coming back to this level as the 20 and 50 EMA are pushing the price low. So at the verge of breaking this support of 220, as its ADR is 7.5, So up to 212 or this swing low, take it as a 212 as a profit to take. Okay, next one is Indus Tower. Indus Tower, I am giving it for buy trade. Level to watch out is 296. It is at the verge of breaking out this level and giving a green candle. So watch out this stock. Okay, the level as its ADR is 12. So 296 up to 310, this swing high. Okay, it can give a profit to grab. Okay, next one is Suntech. Suntech is for buy trade. Level to watch out is 490 to 80, and its ADR is 20. So up to this level, 514 will be to book profit. Next one is Wipro. Yesterday I given this stock for buy, but hasn't crossed the expected level of 666.25. So tomorrow high chances that it can give a green candle. Okay, and as its ADR is 14, so up to 680 you can take it as a level to book a profit. Okay, that's all for today guys. Thank you.